Hello everyone, myself Rohan Pathan, and in this video we will talk about communication channel. As we know, computer network is a group of computers linked to each other and that enables the computer to communicate with each other and share their resources, data and applications. These computers are linked by different types of communication channels. Communication channel can be said as communication media or transmission media. It sets up the path which connects the sender and receiver so that they can transfer the information. Communication channel is of two types, guided media and unguided media. Guided media is also called as wired or bounded media because in this the data remains inside the cabling media only. To transmit the data in guided media, wire or physical media are used like twisted pair cable, coaxial or fiber optic cable. Unguided media is also called as wireless media. We can use this media where cabling is hard to implement. In this, different frequency of electromagnetic waves are used, like microwave signal, communication satellite, broadcast radio, cellular radio, or infrared. Okay, let's see guided media in detail. Twisted pair. It has transmission speed up to 10 Mbps to 10 Gbps. It is mostly popular and it is used in LAN and local telephone lines. It can transmit voice as well as data signal. To transmit the signal, copper wire are used which are insulated by plastic and it is twisted with each other. It is twisted for reducing noise. The noise uh, which is typically of electrical disturbance which reduces the communication quality. We have two types of twisted pair, unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. Twisted pair is cheaper and easier to install and maintain. Its disadvantages are it is not useful in long distance, it has low speed compared to coaxial cable and fiber optic. Next is coaxial cable. It is also known as coax. It has a data transmission speed between 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps. It is used for transmitting TV signal and long distance telephone line and LAN. We can transmit both voice as well as data on high frequency. It has a solid copper wire core which is covered with insulated material. This insulated copper wire is further covered with insulated mesh for protecting from noise like electromagnetic waves. It can transmit both analog as well as digital signal. These cables are also of two types, thicknet and thinnet. Its disadvantages are it is expensive than twisted pair and we cannot use with twisted pair cables. Next is optical fiber. Its data transmission speed can be of 2 Gbps to 100 Gbps. It is used for internet or long distance communication. In this, digital signals are transmitted by using light pulses which are further converted into electrical signals using photodiode. It has a glass strands which can do more than thousands transmission at a time. It is very secure and has very low signal loss. Disadvantages are it is expensive and hard to install and modify. It is difficult to repair and due to small mistake a whole network can get break. Now we will see unguarded media. It is also known as wireless media. In this media different frequencies of electromagnetic waves are used. Examples are microwave system, communication satellite, broadcast radio, cellular radio or infrared. So let's see each and everything in detail. First of all, microwave system. It has a speed between 1 Mbps to 10 Gbps. It is used for high speed transmission. To send information, we have a ground based transmission station and a receiving station. Any information we are sending, like text, sound, video, all are converted into microwave pulses and then transmitted. Microwave station or receiver station are fixed at every 50 km so that signal can be received, amplified, and passed further easily. Disadvantages are if any obstacle comes in between, then it cannot pass through it and it can only be transmitted in single line. So that's the reason why microwave stations are placed on towers and buildings. Now we will talk about cellular radio. It has data transmission speed of 10 Mbps to 1 Gbps. It is used specially for wireless modems and cellular telephone. Cellular telephone is a device which uses high frequency radio waves for transmitting video and digital signal. We uses these towers to get access of internet so that we can send or receive data. PCS is a technology which is used in digital cellular services like handheld computer and cellular telephones. Its disadvantages are it requires a complex infrastructure and a well-planned frequency spectrum distribution. Next is IR wireless media. Its speed can goes up to 1 Gbps. It is used in TV remotes and optical mouse. It sends signal in IR waves which is invisible and lies just above the red end of color spectrum. Its bandwidth is up to 115 kbps and works for 10 meters approx. Most of mouse, printers and digital camera has IRDA ports so that they can transmit data using IR waves. Its disadvantages are it has short range and low bandwidth and it cannot pass through obstacles and requires line of sight for transmission. Thank you.